Hey family, happy Wednesday. I'm coming at y'all this morning with a breakfast recipe. I'm not gonna be on camera this time, y'all, okay? But what I'm about to be making is some breakfast baked potatoes. So y'all know we had us a good little get together, over the weekend, and me, my mom, my mother-in-law, my sister, my grandma, all us, we had us a little get together. We had us a good time, y'all. And so I got some leftover food. The baked potato, for one, is what I wanted to transform this morning, y'all. Okay. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna get my sausages on. I'm gonna cook us some sausages to go with us some breakfast baked potato. So I got me some bacon grease in my pan over there. And make sure that when you brown your sausage, if you're gonna cook some sausage with yours, that you don't burn your pan, because you want to use one pan if you can. Okay. So I'm just getting into sausages cut up like that right there. And we're just gonna brown those up in the pan. And so while I'm browning up those sausages, I'm about to take my baked potato and peel cut the tops off. I'm gonna cut a little top like that. Cut the top off, just like so. And then we're gonna get all the meat out of the potato. So yeah, y'all, this is something delicious. Like, you know how y'all like to do potatoes with the eggs and like breakfast bowls and stuff. Alright, so that's what you're gonna get from this right here. Just like one of those breakfast bowls. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scoop all the inside of this potato here out. And when I get both of them scooped out, I'm gonna come back and show you what I got. Alright, y'all, so we're going to set these here potatoes to the side. And so now what we're about to do is we're going to cut us a few bell peppers. Welcome to my channel if you is new. Let me go and say that, because I know I forgot to say it to y'all. Welcome, thank you for coming. I hope you're enjoying my channel yourself. So I'm joined in with the family and stuff like that, with the comments, hit the thumbs up, the like button. Okay, and also I want to introduce you to my second channel, which is Boss Up Cleaning. That is BOSSUP Cleaning, CLEANING. That's where I put all my cleaning videos, organization, and decorating. So I ask that you go over there and show that channel some love. So I have cracked me 3 eggs, y'all. And so now what we're about to do is we're gonna cut us up probably about 2 of these bell peppers. I don't wanna, I just want it in there just for the color. I ain't really no raw bell pepper eating type person. But we're gonna cut up 2 of these bell peppers here, and this gonna be added into our potatoes or whatever when we get ready to cook it. Ooh, this gonna be good, y'all. So I got a red bell pepper and an orange bell pepper, and I'm just gonna cut this here up. So the ingredients that you're gonna need in total is potato. You can bake your potato off the night before if that's what you want to do, or make it the same day. But anyway, you want to use a potato or however many potatoes. You want to use bell pepper. You can add onion, bacon. You can use the real bacon bits like I'm gonna be using, or you can use you some fresh bacon. Okay, cook up the bacon. You're gonna need you some cheese and eggs and green onion. I ain't got no green onion, so I ain't gonna worry about it. But I got me some chives right here that I'm gonna be adding to mine as well. So yeah, and then we got our sausage right here that's gonna be on the side. So yeah, that's gonna be our breakfast for today. I hope y'all had a great weekend. I enjoyed myself, y'all. I really did. It's always good when family come together and have a good time, you know. And so that's just what we did. We came together, we had us a good time, we barbecued, we had us some drinks, good laugh, and stuff like that, and, you know, just had fun. So, you know, I really did enjoy it. And I hope that y'all enjoyed the little piece of the video that y'all got, yesterday. What was it? Yeah, yesterday. The piece of the video of what, you know, what we cooked and stuff like that. Just a good time, laughs and stuff like that. I know it was short, y'all, but my phone had, the memory had ran out, so I couldn't, you know, record a lot for y'all. But you did get a little something, you know. Okay, so while those sausages is over there cooking, I'm going to throw these bell peppers right on over in there because I don't want these bell peppers to be crunchy. I don't want them crunchy peppers. So while the sauce is cooking, I'm just going to put the bell peppers right on in there and let it all cook together. And I'm going to just let them saute right there in that bacon fat and all that good stuff with these sausages. Okay? So when we go to the next step, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so the sausages is done. And I'm just gonna get those out the pan. And we about to add the potatoes to these bell peppers. And that little oil that's in there, that's all we're gonna need. So it might not be that long today, y'all, because got people over doing the air conditioner or whatever. So I thank y'all for watching this video, okay? But anyway, we're gonna get the potatoes right down in there like that right there. And now we about to season them up. Alright, so first thing first, I'm not gonna break down the potatoes to where they like mashed potatoes, but I'm just gonna break them down where they still got some chunks in it. And we're just gonna brown this up just a little bit. So I'm gonna add some minced onion. You can use fresh onion if you want to. I just didn't feel like cutting up the onion. So I'm going to put some minced onion. I'm going to add some bacon. Okay. Then I'm going to add the chives. Black pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of complete seasoning. I want this to be some good baked potato, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning salt. And a little garlic powder. Like that right there. Okay. So now we're just going to brown up all of this together. And we're going to fill our potatoes with this right here when it's all done. So we're just going to cook this until it starts getting some brown color on it. Grandma, you going to tell them good morning? You going to tell the family hey?
Hey, y'all, good morning. How y'all doing today?
She just getting up, y'all. So, yeah. I'll be back when I get This right here finished. Alright, y'all. So now I'm gonna add the eggs to it. And I'm putting it on the side because I don't want it like get all fine scrambled. I like mine to be a fluffy scramble. So push to the side to cook it separate. Cooking it separate will be even better. You know, then you ain't gotta worry about pushing it to the side if you're making a whole lot. And then the only thing you gotta do is take your eggs and just mix them right on in. So I'm gonna make us some coffee to go with this, honey. And that's gonna be breakfast. See that? How they still fluffy? That's how I want it. Like that. Fluffy eggs. Yes. We're just gonna mix all this together. You could do this just like this with regular potatoes. And you can stop right here. But we're gonna go a little further and put ours in the potato shell. Yeah, no. Let me show y'all what I got. That's what I got right there. Alright, so now I'm fixing our coffee. Y'all know I fell in love with that vanilla caramel and what is it, hazelnut, both on together. Gots to be more careful, and it is so good, y'all. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed if you try it. So I like just a little teaspoon of sugar to go with mine. You really don't need no sugar because that sweetener is sweet enough. So this is some instant coffee. About to pour our water right on in here. Like that right there. Get that dissolved up. Down and around. And then I'm going to put my cream in here. And that's our coffee. So, hope y'all having a good day. Like I said, whatever it is that you got going on, doing, ain't doing, whatever, however. You know, I just hope y'all have a good day. Don't let nobody make you mad. And enjoy your coffee, okay? Your breakfast. Honey, more cream than coffee look like. That's just how I like it, though. You know? Have some. And so now I'm about to fill these potatoes. Hit it with that cheese right there. I wish I would have had some shredded cheese though. Put a little bit more on the top. Like that right there. Have it running over.